Voice recorder
Don't mind me.
and a REM pod. We want the REM pod.
Where it doesn't make noise until something goes close to it.
That's right here.
Yeah.
Oh, there's something. All right.
I've got my floor up as well.
Is there anybody here with us that wants to talk? We have many options. We have the thing making noise. You can talk to us through the speaker. You can touch somebody. You can get close to the white box, make the lights go off, make some sound. Just let us know that you're with us. Does anybody want to talk? Can you please give us a sign that you're here with us? It's pretty lonely in here. Guys, I'm picking up a creepy guy in the women's bathroom. Oh, shit, there, that's you. Does anybody like to talk? I get it. I'm tired too.
Well, if you don't want to talk to Dan, you want to come by and talk to me? I know you've seen me before. Can you come forward and speak to us? I know you're trying really hard. There's a lot of people in here. Can you please tell us your name?